Hey, my name is Charlotte. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about Whirlpool COOKTOP OS2 part #W10204939. Whirlpool COOKTOP OS2 part #W10204939 is a cooktop from Whirlpool that features a sleek, modern design and powerful cooking performance. The cooktop has two independent heating elements that can be used together or separately to provide precise heat control. The cooktop also features a digital display with easy-to-use controls, allowing you to easily adjust the temperature and time settings. The cooktop is designed to fit into standard countertops and comes with a 1-year limited warranty. It is designed for use with electric ranges and can be installed. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is a replacement cooktop surface element switch for Whirlpool cooktops. It is designed to fix symptoms such as the cooktop not heating, the element not turning on, or the element not working properly. Here is how you install this part. 1. Unpack the cooktop and all of its components. 2. Carefully read the installation instructions that came with the cooktop. 3. Make sure you have all of the necessary tools and materials for installation, such as a drill, screwdriver, level, and mounting hardware. 4. Place the cooktop in its desired location on the countertop or other surface. Make sure it is level and secure before continuing with installation. 5. Connect the power cord to a grounded outlet or junction box according to local codes and manufacturer's instructions. 6. Secure the co. You can buy this part from www.partsips.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsips.com.
Visit www.partsips.com to order residential appliance parts.